How to fix Domino's app not working, not opening, not loading, or whatever the problem you are facing on your Domino's app. I'll tell you the exact way how you can fix your problem. So guys, before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to receive all the latest update. Now let's begin the tutorial. Okay guys, the very first thing, I'll tell you 4 to 5 method which will definitely help you to fix the problem. Okay, we have a lot of errors that we get in our Domino's app, but whatever the problem you have, it doesn't matter. You'll be able to fix at the end of the video. After watching this video, you'll be able to fix the problem. Okay, I'll tell you the very first step is restart your device. Restart your device and then check whether your Domino's app is working or not. And then second method is check your internet connection. Sometimes our internet connections gets automatically off and we do not notice and our app doesn't work. So first check it that whether your internet connection is turned on or not. If it is turned on and still it is not working, then I suggest you to follow the third step, which is open your Google Play Store, and from here you have to search Domino's. Now let's search for the Domino's. Okay, from here let's search for the Domino's. Okay, here is the Domino's, and then I suggest you to check the Domino's app update if you have an update or not. If you have the update on your Domino's app, then you just update it. Now what happens is sometimes because of not updating the app, we get a lot of errors on the application. So you just have to update it, and after updating it, just open and do whatever you were doing and then see whether your problem is fixed or not. If the problem is fixed, then that's great, but if the problems remain same, then I suggest you to open your mobile settings, and then from here I suggest you to scroll up and then go to bottom on app management, or you may get option manage apps, or you will get the option application manager. And then from here you have to do you can manage your app completely from here. So from here you have to do some settings. I'll tell you right after opening it. Now let's search for the Domino's. Okay, here's the Domino's app. Just click over it, and right after clicking over it, it will open. Okay, my mobile is becoming little it's hanging. Okay, it is open now. I suggest you to click on the storage usage, and then from here you have to clear the data. Okay, clear the data, and after clearing the data, go back. Now guys, clearing the data doesn't mean that it will delete all your data from the applications. It will simply log you out from your account, and then you have to re-log in. That's it. And after clearing the data, come back and then go to data usage status, and then from here okay, let's go back. I clicked on the wrong option. Let's go back. Okay guys, from here you have to click network permission, and then you have to allow Wi-Fi and mobile data. That's it. And then go to permission, and then from here you have to enable your permissions. Okay, and then go back. And then now guys restart your phone once, and then put your mobile on flight mode, and then just turn off the flight mode, and then check that you will see that your problem is being fixed. So guys, this is how you can fix the problem. I hope this video definitely helps you. Thanks for watching.